I'm getting worried, girl.
Hey, the activity was going to
My card. Well, right there, Cheyenne just made her.
Well, play
Cheyenne. Well, Cheyenne.
Let's play Cheyenne.
No, you better do Granny shot. Now, she called it.
I'll be having it. I didn't know what you done. Again? Yeah. Make sure you don't get the picture.
Hold on a minute. I didn't call shit. I was going to stand in front of you.
Right here.
Now, stand right there with your basketball and look at me before you make a shot. Now you got it in front of your face.
Look at the roller eyes.
Whoa.
She's getting pictures taken.
Okay, you can go.
I'll play ball.
Why didn't you do your Granny shot? You would have made it.
Don't take that picture from me.
Did you call your man? You hold the basketball so I can take pictures?
No.
You play pig. You play pig. Look at me, Mom. So you got a pee on you. I need some Facebook shit. Who's Cheyenne?
Where's Cheyenne? Get away from her.
Okay, what do you say?
I talk about Sam.
Well, you go tell me not to tell Bowie. One hand. What are those people saying? Fuck it all down. It's going to say down there. You did it. Okay.
I got a pee. I can't make them up close like that. Back here, I usually can. I want to you make sure you call it if you're doing great. If it had been down a little farther, you'd think she wouldn't have made it. There's Cheyenne. You can do Granny shot or whatever, but you got to shoot from right here because I made it.
Oh,
No.
you ain't gonna make it.
You can go back right there. You got to know when you know.
This one's the floor.
Yeah, you got P.I. And I got a P.
Did you make it?
No, you didn't make it. You shoot wherever you want. You couldn't make it there the first time. Why would you do it again?
I don't have no money.
Here, Cheyenne, Granny shot.
That was a good one.
What?
You all humped her down.
Yeah, I'm sure it was. Here's Cheyenne. Right here. Granny shot. Your favorite.
You don't want to go to piece of paper?
I got that of them. Somewhere.
I'll do my best one.
That should have a key.
I think that's pig for Cheyenne, isn't it?
I got to prove it because she's got a G. If I could prove it, she's out. She didn't make it. No, she didn't make it. If I had made that, she would have been out. And I didn't make it. Do I have to make it? No. You shoot wherever you want. My screen's getting on glitch. Who's after Mom?
You did?
No, yeah, I am after Mom. Give me a ball. Cheyenne after you. Guess what? You gotta make that shot now. And if you miss it, Grandma's gotta prove this shot. So you're not going nowhere. Right there. Shit. It's crap. It's crap. It's not. Yes, it is. I bet you might have got a good picture of that. Cheyenne, you did. That's okay. I'm putting you out next time. Right here, Grandma will put you out. Shoot your shot. Now, right there where Cheyenne's your shot. You made the first shot, so you gotta go prove it. If you make it again, Cheyenne's out. So make it. Make Grandma sit down.
Grandma didn't take no pity on you, did she?
Oh, now don't get mad. Right here, Mom.
There's your cheese for me.
Right here.
Thanks for that one there. Did that give us for that side?
Right hand. Turn around. Right down. Right here. Get the ball, Cheyenne. You want to get your name. I did make it. One hand, right hand. Give me that ball back. I want to have to step back close, farther. Right here. One hand, right hand.
One hand, right hand.
You make it? No. But I got to see you. You ain't got nothing, do you? No, I'll give it way back. I'll be short. Okay.
It got nothing to do with being short.
Huh?
Ain't got nothing to
You
do with
take
being
my
short.
shirt off. Right here, Mom. Yeah, you did.
Just over, you know.
See? Well, at least you get it.
Okay, I'm gonna go back up here with that so you won't be by yourself.
He's supposed to come down here. He said he was going to come right up
You
here.
ain't gonna come down.
Well, you didn't call it underneath hand. I can shoot how I want. Yeah, I don't have to make that. You called it, but you didn't make it. Right here, Mom. One hand. Right hand. Okay, you try that real short. But guess what? You don't call it one hand, I don't have to do it. Right here. One hand.
I'm always gonna do this for you.
Right here, Mother. Right hand. One hand. Give me that. I'll get her. Right here. One hand. Left hand.
I can't hold it back here.
You're good. Now I'm going to do it again.
I don't care.
Right here.
I'm all the way down.
Right here. Left hand. Let's see you make it.
Scoot up close.
Yep, you didn't call it.
You should be out by now.
I will be out. If
Why
you,
not?
I can shoot it any way I want. Improve your left hand shit. One hand. Right where you was at. You didn't make it. I know. You prove it, I'm out. I'm not out. You don't get to shoot again. No, I'm not out. Give me that ball back.
But you didn't have. You could have shot it any way you want to. You didn't say it.
No, but I shot it left hand, so she's going to shoot left hand. Right here. One hand. Left.
Maybe you're out here. You ain't gonna get it.
I can give you an eye. What's this? She can get her nose. From me, there's not like this.
Get up here.